probably, draw this beautiful structure. It looks very nice, isn't it? So if you draw this structure, your mom get, shocked, because what you are, it's she probably using it for many, many years, but not knowing what is it, it's inside and what are the properties of it, If you get adrak wali chai, ginger, probably teachers will, appreciate this, because after a, 2-3 lectures, if somebody gives, adrak wala chai, people will appreciate, it's due to, again, many compounds. Let me tell you, friends, it's not just one compound which is present into it, but many, in fact, the curcumin is also present in a bit into the ginger, but the ultimate flavor of a ginger is because of a gingerol, which is present into this, is a, active ingredient present into it. And we know it has an antioxidant and anti-carcinogenic property also. Yeah, in fact, not just because of a gingerol, a bit carcinogenic properties because of the last ingredient over here. In fact, in the morning, I was reading in the newspaper. I'm going to show you the next slides to tell you about, this is what is curcumin. This is a bit brother of curcumin. This one which I have shown is a brother of curcumin, but actual curcumin looks like this, which is very important, because it's present in what we call it turmeric, haldi, hardar. And how our mother, or maybe those who are preparing the Indian dishes, how they are intelligent, because this curcumin, let me tell you, is a very active ingredient in a this what we call is turmeric, and it's soluble in fat, that is oil, not in the water, and that's why we use it. Gujarati ma કહું તો વઘાર કરવામાં આપણે વાપરીએ છીએ. Why we do in a વઘાર? Why we put it while doing વઘાર કરવામાં કેમ પછીથી નહીં નાખવાનું? The reason of doing this is it's soluble in oil. It's insoluble in a water. So just further ફાક કરવાથી શરીરમાં કશું absorb થાય નહીં. It will not go inside. It will not get absorbed into. Most of them will come out from the excretas. But then the much of the turmeric, only I think whatever turmeric we do consume, even 10% of it will not, active curcumin will not go to in our body. So if you have a, if you want to realize it's what I was telling you, that this is known for, because the next anti-cancer drug which comes out of, if it comes into the market, probably this curcumin is one of the active ingredients will be present. Again, that one of the professors who comes to us, do so much research on curcumin. He prepares many, because if you see curcumin, again, you have a, certain this oxygens, heteroatoms, this hydroxy groups, and these types of group, which makes it as a beautiful ligand. And that's why, coordination chemist will prepare immediately metal complex out of it. And in fact, by preparing a complex of a curcumin, one can increase the anti-cancer activity of curcumin. That is what he is doing. Much of the research he has undertaken. In fact, he is a visiting professor in NIH USA, National Institute of Health. Over there also he, speaks much about curcumin. And let me assure you at this stage that probably when you will listen that some anti-cancer beautiful drug is there in the market, just remember this lecture, because it is the curcumin which I told you first was, there is, and in fact this curcumin was so important in haldi, because other than India nobody uses much. In fact, when I was in China, sometimes I used to cook on my own, but then I went to some shop and I told him that, can you cook it for me? And then I make him to prepare the our vegetable rice, and then at the end I told him and he prepared it, but in the end he showed me one packet, and then I got surprised that what else he wanted to add, and he showed me, you see this, and then I see it is turmeric. So this is how, but he had added it, he has shown me in the end. And then I said, okay, you put something to get color. I understand color will just show, but otherwise haldi will have no use if you don't put it into vagар. And that is how this curcumin is not known in any other other than India curry. Indian curry which we prepare is very so famous is because of this. Besides this, it has a many uses also. Clove, all of you know, loving, eugenol. Again, one of my relative, close relative, one of my close relative is, what you call dealing with insects. He is, entomology professor and head. He told me, he serves for, Anand Agriculture University. He told me that, eugenol, if you take a sponge, put it into, eugenol and put it into the field, it can lure many of, insects from the, what you call crop. And thereby, you need not to put insecticides or any other. And that's why, all of you know that so many insecticides now people are putting into the vegetables to make vegetables, uneatable. And that is how this type of an approach, where eugenol and other things, if can lure the moth, and particularly what happened, in many of the cases he was telling me that the male insect get lured and it get destroyed, and that is how the number of male insect decreases, and ultimately if male insects are not there, female insects population also decreases, and ultimately crop will be saved against this type. So this is how eugenol, but sometimes we feel, pain inside our teeth, and nothing is available at the midnight, we put, what we put? Yeah, loving. So this is how, when you see it, remember the structure, which is, responsible for giving this antioxidant property or any other properties, antiviral, for that reason, is because of these two particular, not just eugenol. Eugenol is one of them, but others are also present. Linalool is again another compound which is present in coriander, kothmir, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, tell me. As I told you, if you consume the haldi, turmeric, even 10% of curcumin will not get absorbed. And that is how you can consume ek chamach jo haldi dalte hai in that vagar is enough for us, because if you, sometimes when you have a throat infection, we consume with milk and all, is because of, not because of curcumin, it's because of its other properties which it do possess, isn't it? And what that property is? Why we consume during throat infection and all? Antiseptic. Yeah, antiseptic property, even wound healing property, isn't it? Yes. Sometimes if nothing is available on wound, you put turmeric. So what I mean to say, it's not curcumin which is responsible for these properties. Curcumin is one of the, if you have seen it, it do have many ingredients. One of them is curcumin, and which is having this property. Others are also equally, antiseptic property or other properties are responsible for that. Yeah, so this is again another molecule. And let me tell you, friends, it's not that I am knowing everything about these molecules. I am just putting before you this, molecules or these chemicals, so that you will, realize that, our life is made up of all these, chemistry. Or chemistry is contributing to our life. It's got hanged. Vanilla ice cream is my next, in this, summer. If you happen to give, this vanilla seeds or vanilla ice cream, everybody like, of course, if it is provided not just plain vanilla, something, what is that? So that, this is, vanillin is the, and let me tell you, one of your faculty member here engage in some vanillin compound. Don't want to, probably you may be knowing also, because you all are school children, probably not knowing the staff of chemistry here. He's involved in, vanillin. He take vanillin, and again, his interest is to prepare metal complex coordination, and that is how this orthovanillin and other compounds, he took it and prepared many compounds out of it. This fragrance of vanillin comes from something you can see. Again, I don't want to recite the scientific name of that tree or plant, because I'm very poor in botany. Whatever little botany I know is only algae and other things. Otherwise not much otherwise if I cite somebody will have a questions on it. So that's why better not to do that. And then the next one which I'm putting before you is, all of you have seen this seeds, ajwa seeds. Okay, is again having a traditional healers and having many our kitchen remedies or folk remedies, particularly when you have a digestive problem or stomach ache, and not to go to school, your mom will give you this and then say, okay, take this and go to school. So this is again because of this particular terpenine and other molecules. Curry leaf, libdana patta, all of you have seen. If you want to put curry and if you don't put this, your curry will not give you much fragrance. Again, many of them in curry leaf are present, which gives this fragrance to it. Mitho limlo, we tell it in a Gujarati. So again, has a great potential for use in mosquito control program again, and is reported to contain again plant growth inhibitor also is present into it. So these are the present into it. Okay, so after showing you many kitchen, what you can say, the and then fruits also have shown you, and may ice cream bhi khila diya. So abhi, now let us move from this to now our body, what chemistry is. And if you heard about cholesterol level in our body, is very important. Yeah, and look this molecule. This is a cholesterol molecule जो लोगों को ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ा देता है, बाद में घटा देता है, क्या क्या करा होता है, you know it probably, है ना? This is what this molecule is. Let me tell you the structure, not just cholesterol structure. Many of these chemicals which I have shown you is all of the structure of this molecule has been determined, or not only just by doing how structure is determined. Do you know? Anyone? Spectroscopy. What is spectroscopy means? Just yesterday I was asking to one candidate interviewing, what is spectroscopy? Yeah? No? It is not a chemistry class. Do not worry much, because you need to bother about spectroscopy in higher classes, because many can you name me the few spectroscopic techniques? Mass is not spectroscopy, gentlemen. It is a spectrometry. Huh? X-ray is not again spectroscopy. Have you heard about IR? Infrared spectroscopy? No? Have you heard about NMR? What is NMR? No more research. NMR is no more research. Anyway, it's not no more research, it is nuclear magnetic resonance, which again is a important in deciding the structure, because I'm just showing you, I have put it on a slides. It looks simple, but in determining the structure, let me tell you friends, it takes not just hours or not just days, sometimes years together people have worked on and to decide. And in these all structure, many of these structure have been revealed in ancient time, when we do not have these sophisticated instruments. Today, one of the important structure elucidation technique is X-ray crystallography, where X-ray crystallography, it's not a spectroscopy. Remember this one sentence. Okay, what is it? You know about taking our X-ray. Doctor, हमारा X-ray कुछ है तो लेते हैं ना? Like that, you take X-ray of a molecule, and that is what the X-ray crystallography. You bombard the molecule with X-ray. Of course, for that the molecule needs to be in a crystalline form. Not just only, it should be a single crystal of it.